I learned today that to make a skeleton figure before you draw your actual person that you're drawing, or like figure.
I appreciate your explanation of it's like a doodle. I'm a doodler. I guess I consider myself, but using the shapes to kind of get the sizing correctly and the layout, so on. Like I'm like, oh, okay, this makes yes.
This is Oliver's.
Oh, wow.
This one's mine. Wait.
These are so cool.
When we get to a point like this, you want to give your painting a second to dry, just so you're not painting over top of it when it's super wet still.
I made this so far.
That's great.
I'm probably gonna work on it a little bit after class, and my other one too.
Anything specific that you learned today that you were excited to learn about?
I mean, I liked all of it. This was great for me, so I can't wait for next class.